I stopped skipping meals. Starving only slows metabolism, making my body store more fat. Now I fuel my body properly to keep my metabolism active and strong. I include protein in every meal, especially breakfast, because protein boosts metabolism, reduces cravings, and keeps me full longer. I eat smaller, balanced meals throughout the day instead of overeating at once because this keeps my metabolism active, prevents energy crashes, and helps my body burn calories efficiently without storing excess fat or feeling heavy. I drink enough water throughout the day because hydration supports digestion, improves metabolism, and helps my body burn calories more efficiently, while also reducing unnecessary hunger signals that often lead to overeating or unhealthy snacking. I avoid extreme diets that cut too many calories because they slow metabolism, reduce energy, and harm my body, so I focus on balanced eating instead, while also not damaging my health while feeling constantly tired. I include fresh foods like fruits and vegetables daily because they improve digestion, keep me full long-term metabolism, while reducing unnecessary cravings and maintaining steady energy levels. Eating improves digestion, helps me recognize fullness, and prevents overeating, allowing my metabolism to work efficiently while creating a healthier relationship with food every single day. I include natural metabolism boosters like green tea and spices because they help increase calorie burning slightly to improve overall energy. Because small daily habits matter more than strict rules, help my metabolism stay active, my energy remains stable, and my results improve naturally without stress or unrealistic expectations over time. I never skip breakfast anymore because it kickstarts my metabolism, gives me energy, and prevents overeating later, helping my body stay active and balanced instead of slowing down and storing extra fat from irregular eating habits. I reduce my sugar intake because too much sugar causes energy crashes, increases fat storage, and slows metabolism, so choosing natural foods instead helps my body stay energized, balanced, and more efficient in burning calories daily. Because they naturally boost metabolism, improve digestion, and help my body burn calories more efficiently without needing extreme diets or complicated routines. A flavorful and healthy bite. I make sure I eat enough calories daily because undereating slows metabolism, reduces energy, and makes my body store fat, so fueling myself properly helps me stay active, burn calories, and maintain a healthy balance. I avoid heavy late-night eating because my metabolism slows down at night, making it easier to store fat, so finishing meals earlier helps my body digest properly and supports better fat burning overnight. I chew my food slowly and properly because digestion starts in the mouth, and better chewing helps my body absorb nutrients efficiently, reduces bloating, and supports a healthier metabolism without putting extra stress on my digestive system. I balance my meals with protein, carbs, and healthy fats because each nutrient's metabolism different, helping me function properly, maintain energy, and burn calories efficiently without feeling deprived or restricted. I reduce processed foods in my diet because they slow metabolism, increase fat storage, and harm digestion, so choosing fresh natural foods helps my body stay active, clean, and efficient in burning calories daily. Because eating only my metabolism stay balanced, prevents overeating, and allows my body to function naturally without forcing unnecessary food or restriction. I treat healthy eating as a lifestyle, not a temporary diet, because long-term habits build real results, helping my metabolism, my energy match stable, and my energy remove restrictions. I slow down while eating because rushing confuses my body and leads to overeating, but eating calmly helps digestion, improves metabolism, and allows my brain to recognize fullness, making my meals more effective and satisfying. I include probiotic foods like yogurt regularly because they support gut health, improve digestion, and boost metabolism, helping my body process nutrients better while reducing bloating and maintaining a healthy internal balance naturally. I eat my meals at consistent times every day because regular timing helps regulate my metabolism, improves digestion, and trains my body to use energy efficiently, avoiding sudden hunger spikes or unnecessary fat storage. I avoid sugary drinks and unnecessary liquid calories because they add extra energy without filling me up, slowing my metabolism progress, so I choose water or healthier options to stay hydrated and support fat burning. I take a short walk after meals because light activity helps digestion, prevents fat storage, and keeps my metabolism active, making my body process food better without feeling heavy or sluggish afterward. I stopped eating out of boredom or emotions because unnecessary eating slows my metabolism and adds extra calories, so I stay over my habits and choose food only when my body truly needs it. I focus on whole natural foods instead of packaged options because they support metabolism, improve digestion, and provide real nutrients, helping my body function efficiently and maintain consistent energy throughout the day. I eat until I feel satisfied, not overly full, because balance helps my metabolism stay efficient, prevents discomfort, and keeps my energy stable without flying my body down or creating unnecessary fat storage. I prioritize good sleep because rest plays a major role in metabolism, helping my body recover, regulate hormones, and burn calories efficiently, making my eating habits more effective and my energy levels more stable daily. I focus on sustainable habits instead of quick fixes because long-term consistency builds real results, helping my metabolism stay strong and my journey feel natural without stress or extreme changes.